not touching the clutch. 6th gear, ready? Slipping clutch, really bad.
Good afternoon guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Baileytron and we are in Moffat, that's in Scotland. I said I was going to do this on the Saturday, which I've done. I didn't record any coming down here. Reason being I need a new camera for the audio, so I've gone for the GoPro 11 with all the media mods and all that sort of stuff. But we're here at, I keep forgetting the name of it, it's called Black Bull Inn in Moffat. And I'll tell you what, this place is absolutely stunning. It is clean as you like. Look at this, I'll turn it around and show you the room. That's my boot squeaking, by the way, ignore that. What a room. It's not the biggest room in the world, but it's immaculate. I like it. And then you've got a nice view outside here, down onto the bar front, whatever it is. And look at that on top of the roof. It's that's the bull, basically, made out of metal. All your usual normal stuff, obviously. Your tea making material, everything else. Nice sized TV. Doesn't need to be massive, because the room's not that big anyway. Look at the bathroom. They've got obviously a bar, food, it's a barista, all that sort of stuff, but it looks quite popular because there's a lot of people here all the time. But yeah, I'm happy with this, and it was really cheap, to be fair. It was £115 they did a deal, so fair play to them. I know it's an unusual way to start the video, but I didn't, like I said, I didn't record any coming up. It was all motorway, it's boring. But we did stretch the BMW's legs, and I can safely say that bike is awesome. It really is a good bike, so I'm happy with it. I'll take you around Moffat now, and then tomorrow we're going to hit the twisties all the way back home. Nice little lights in the floor, nice pictures, the duck and grouse. Thought we'd have a nice little beer. Happy days. And there she is, sat in the hallway, in the entry, waiting for tomorrow's little adventure. Bumped into a couple of other bikers, and they all recommend this place, so it's well worth the visit if you haven't been here before. And there's some good routes from here as well. Well then guys, that's a little insight into Moffat. In the morning we're going to hit the twisties all the way back down towards Stafford. Let's do it.
Well, this was Moffat, ladies and gents. Absolutely beautiful place, as I've just shown you in all the little clips. Here's that cafe everyone was on about. I'm going to get a quick coffee, I think, before we set off properly. Come on. There we go. I spoke to some of the locals and they said this is the place to go if you want breakfast, so just keep that in mind if you ever come to Moffat. Let's hit the road. We're going to be heading... Oh, might help you took the stand off, Lee. I set the cruise control all the way up here on the motorway yesterday, and the bike basically rid itself. It was, I've never experienced it before. Just like that, and just sat there all the way up the motorway. So good to be back on the road. Thank you all for your subscriptions anyway, it does mean a lot, and thanks for all your kind comments, what you've been saying. it's made me feel a lot better. Thank you. Scotland is probably one of the favourite place I've ever been to. I absolutely love this place. I mean, look how empty the roads are. But then again, we are running alongside that road, like I said. See it on the map here, look. But it's nice. Oh, road surface is a bit rough. It's a stonker of a little road, this. Bit of wetness on the road there. Beautiful place. Beautiful. Bit of gravel in the road there. First car I've seen this morning. Going back towards Moffat by the look of it. Nice twisties here. Very nice. Oh, this way. It seems that the Kalimata decided to do a big loop rather than going home straight away, and I've gone around and ended up back in Moffat. Brilliant. Never mind, I'm not going to complain about it. Well, that's some of the roads around Moffat anyway. Should we try again? Was he going to send me around the block again? Got 249 miles to get home. So hopefully Kalimata is going to send me on some decent roads. That'd be nice. Back here again, look. The other nice thing about the old GS's cruise control, I keep going on about it, I love the thing. But look at this. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. I can see why people have cruisers. Always a tractor somewhere. We've stumbled into another problem. The clutch is on its way out on the GS, so it's got to go back into the shop. I've just got to go 160 mile back home now. Sorry about this, it is what it is, but I'm literally, I can't throttle it. If I throttle it, it goes, revs out, it's no good. It's got to go back in the shop. Hopefully I'll make it all the way back home. I'll do my best to update you when I get back. Hopefully I'll make it back. If not, I'll be getting recovered. What the hell's going on, eh? Let's go back into the shop and it's got to be sorted. This will be the second time it's been in the shop now. So I think it'll make it all the way back to it. We've got 131 mile remaining. God, I'm so annoyed. I want to show you, but I can't, just in case. So Maybe when I get closer to the house. Never rains, it pours. I've actually made it back. Thank God, thank God. We're in Stafford now. Now I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. Look, not touching the clutch. 6th gear, ready? Slipping clutch, really bad. At least it's got me home. And hopefully after this is done, there'll be no other problems. Third time lucky, eh? Anyway guys, thanks for all your likes, subscriptions and comments. It means the world. Hopefully you'll see this again next week when it's fixed. Unbelievable. See you later guys. Ta-ra.